People don't buy AI, they buy solutions like resume writing, product photos, and short video editing. Just choose one problem. When you are just starting out, it is tempting to offer everything. But you should master just one service first. Here is the exact formula I use. First, you must clearly identify the problem. Then, apply your specialized AI skill to solve it. That is how you get a happy client every time. Today's challenge is to write one AI service. First, we have the service name, second, the target customer, and third, the AI tool. Pause this video and write yours. You start with an AI skill, then you solve a real problem as a paid service, like using ChatGPT for resume writing, or AI images, even video AI for short-form editing. Let's get you a professional resume rewrite. It is fully ATS optimized and delivered in 24 hours. All of this for just $25. This is incredible value for your career. You don't need real clients to build your portfolio. Create one demo project, show a clear before and after result, and let your work prove your skills. Clients trust proof, not promises. Now it's your turn. Pick one skill, turn it into one clear service, and create one sample today. In the next lesson, I'll show you exactly how to find your AI client even if you're starting from zero.